Oh, when we meet again, we are going to have a new appreciation for this world and each other. It gets me teary just thinking about it.
The heart of everything that we do as events professionals is inspiring connection, and that is something that will never go away.
When we meet again, I look forward to that association, that camaraderie that only comes when we rub shoulders.
Really looking forward to face-to-face conversations, hugs.
There's such great energy that gets generated when humans meet face-to-face, and ideas and connection and spark.
From the event perspective, I'm looking forward to the energy, the laughter, and the connection.
When we meet again, I'm looking forward to watching my colleagues overcome the challenges that we're facing and bring the live experiences that our city expects.
I'm really looking forward to doing something really epic and cool to celebrate.
Instill a memory that lasts a lifetime for someone.
Professionally, I'm looking forward to seeing my colleagues again.
I am really looking forward to collaborating with my event partners on site.
Celebrating and hearing laughter from 500 people.
What I'm looking forward to is rebuilding the event industry.
Stick together. Now more than ever, we really do need each other.
We're better together, so hang in there, be resilient. We will meet again, we will socialize again, and we will be together again.
I would like to say to my peers to remember that when we meet face to face, we change the world.
Take care of your light, be compassionate with yourself, because we will shine again.
I would really encourage people to lean into your network and collaborate with one another and to just be kind to each other during this time.
We will change the world again. Take it one day at a time.
When we meet again, this world is not going to know what hit it.